Hi, boys and girls. It's the creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. And I have a cute one to share with you. First of all, this was made by a special friend of mine. And what it says is, Bored, Better Off Reading Every Day in several different colors. Bored with Miss Reynolds. It has my YouTube. And it says like, comment, and subscribe. This is from one of my very, very special friend, and she works very hard on this, and she's been with me on board from the start. So I'm sending an extra special shout out and love to my friend, A.R.K. Thank you, sweetheart. I love it, and I will keep it along with all my other keepsakes. Now, this is called That's Not My Car. Its windows are too shiny. And this is an Osborne Touchy-Feely book. And today was my favorite color day, and my favorite color is houndstooth all the way. So that's why I'm wearing all houndstooth. That's not my car. Its headlights are too smooth. Its headlights are too smooth. That's not my car. Its door is too rough. Its door is too rough. That's not my car. Its hubcaps are too lumpy. That's not my car. Its radiator is too bumpy. That's my car. Its bumper is so squeaky. There it is. And it's a touchy-feely book. So good, you do it twice. That's not my car. Its windows are too shiny. Too shiny. See the reflective windows? Because it's a touchy-feely book. That's not my car. Its headlights are too smooth. See that? Smooth. That's not my car. Its door is too rough. That's not my car. Its hubcaps are too lumpy. That's not my car. Its radiator is too bumpy. That's my car. Its bumper is so squeaky. And that is the end of That's Not My Car, a touchy-feely book. Boys and girls, it is Bored with Miss Reynolds. Better Off Reading Every Day. I don't own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic. And the magic of today's story is, yes, it's quick. Yes, it doesn't have a lot of words. And it's a touchy-feely book. But guess what? It's perfect for little learners just like you. And I couldn't wait to share it with you on my favorite color day, which is houndstooth. Here we go. And that's it. We are all twirled out. And we will see you again really, really soon. And thank you so much for this beautiful storyline right here. I love it. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.